Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video, guys, is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of this Realfit F2 True Wireless Earphones. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and we have here another product, guys. This is the Realfit F2 TWS, and this is the product specifications, guys. So we have Bluetooth version 5.3, transmission distance that is 10 meters, battery capacity that's 30 milliamperes, and usage time is about 4 hours, and the charging time is about 1 hour. In the box, so we have here charging cable type C. Here it is, guys, our Realfit F2. So I actually use this one, guys, for a couple of weeks. I have here inside, guys, it's actually like orange, the tips here, and inside we have your Realfit branding. Okay, it is very handy, guys. It's very compact, and here is the other case. It's very cute. All right, so guys, as I mentioned, I've already used this one for a couple of weeks, and guys, I've never been so happy about the TWS or the True Wireless earphones. And I don't know, I've used the other earphones. They're nice, but this one, it's just different. The bass is very clear, and when you like, I've listened to some kind of a 8D music on YouTube, and it's really great. And I actually use this one as my daily earphones. When I watch movies, it's just different. The the immersive feeling that you are kind of like in the movie, it gives you that feeling, guys. I know it's quite exaggerated, but believe me, guys, if you try this earphones, you will never regret. Yes, and for just an affordable price, guys, you can get this one. And if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box, and you can check them out. And guys, I actually use this one while listening to Spotify, and OMG, it is really nice, guys. It's really hard to explain, but when you wear them on your ears, it's really great. And I've also watched TikTok, and the latency is really low, so it's really also good for gaming. And honestly, guys, you can really try this yourself, and all I can say is that it's doing its job. Once again, guys, this is the Real Fit F2. Okay, true wireless earphones. So let me know, guys, about your thoughts about this earphones. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.